Hey, it's Ride with Backroad Reviews, and in this review we're going to take a look at the 96-ounce laundry detergent container. It is available in teal as well as black. Has a nice quality wood handle on the top. We use this when we make our own detergent. It does come with a matching scoop. It does have a little concurve on the bottom, so it doesn't all touch the bottom of whatever you're putting this on. Nice metal construction. It does have handles on the side. Very nice finish. We've been using this for, gosh, 2 years, and it looks really great. It has gotten a little bit wet, and there hasn't been any discoloration or any type of penetration with the coloring of the metal. We don't have any rust or anything coming off of this, so really happy with this. Looks really great. My name's Ryan with Backroad Reviews. Thanks for watching.